Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today to complete lesson 3-1 Inequalities and their graphs. Let us start. Define a variable and write an inequality to model each situation. The restaurant can seat at most 172 people.
Okay, Ryan, thank you. At most, that means so the restaurant can seat. Okay, I will do like this. Choose a letter and write the number. Okay, he said to me at most 172. So the seat must be 172 or less. Yes.
Or equal.
Or equal. Yes, sure. Yes, equal 172 or less. So less, I will draw like this.
And this dash?
And equal for the equal. So this is 35. S less than or equal 172. So my boys, okay, to avoiding any confusing. At most, what we mean by at most?
At least.
Less or equal.
Yes.
So less or equal. At least have another meaning, Ryan.
Yes, I know it.
Okay. So if you see at most, you have to draw less or equal. So this means less or equal. Okay, my boys. Now the second one, Ryan, 36, please.
A person must be at least 35 years old to be
elected
president of the United States.
Okay. Now we move to at least.
Okay. It is that mean that you must to be
Calm down, Ryan. Let us do it step by step, okay? It is confused, yes?
No.
But, no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I choose the letter, okay? A-R, okay, R, and I write the number, which is 35. Okay? If you know that, the teacher said, if you see at least mean greater, okay?
Yes.
Okay, mean? Greater or equal. Okay, how we draw greater? The fish will eat the letter. Okay?
Okay.
The fish will eat
the letter.
The fish will eat the letter. Okay, so this is a greater. So it's solved now.
It's R greater or equal 35.
Yes, greater than or equal 35 years. Okay, so let us organize or make our solution more clear. How? At most, least, or less, sorry, less than or equal.
And least?
At least, greater than. Let me write it here. This mean, you have to draw this. And this mean, at least, you have to draw this. Okay? Okay? Okay, my boys? But more than, greater than. More than, it is normally greater than. Okay? At least, you have to draw this sign, which is a greater. Okay, or equal.
A light bulb can be no more than 75 watts to be
What?
To be
safely
safely
used.
used in this light fixture.
Fixture, yes. So it is no more than. It is not more than, that means it is less than, yes?
Yes.
So you write like this. It is bulb. If there is no here, it is more than, that means it is greater than or equal 75. But he write no more than, that means
Less
than or equal.
or equal?
Yes, no more than 75.
Yes.
Okay, or equal, yes, Ryan. Okay.
Okay.
Now 38. Hurry up, Ryan.
Okay. At least 475 students attended the
Orchestra.
orchestra concert Thursday night.
Okay. Now, how we solve it? We choose the letter.
Or
Ryan, 475. Now, at least. What we mean by at least?
at least that greater
Greater than
So- or equal.
or equal. So greater than is the letter, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now 39. This 38.
Okay. A law clerk has earned more
Than.
than 20,000 since being hired.
Okay. Okay, choose the letter.
Okay. M.
It is M. And the number here it's 20,000. Now he said more than. Yes?
So
So
M
mm-hmm.
greater
Mm-hmm.
than 20,000 or equal.
Mm-hmm. It is more than, so there is no equal actually.
Yes.
It is more than 20,000. Okay? Okay, Ryan? Is it clear?
Yes.
So at least mean greater. Okay?
Or equal.
Or equal. At most means less than or equal. And more than, and you know the rest of the story, but this is the most important too. At least greater. It has a condition here. You have to start with the letter from the left. Okay. The number in the left, for example, and the number at the right, and you draw the greater here like this. Okay, the order, it is very important. Now, Ryan, I will move here, and revise what we learned in the previous video here, 29. If you can write the inequality for this number line.
Okay. X.
You choose X.
Yes.
Okay, this is X. I will write it here. Okay.
X greater. X greater.
Before greater or less or whatever. What is the number that started with the arrow?
-4.
Yes, you have to write
-4.
the letter that you choose by yourself and the number that started with the arrow here. Yes, which is -4 in this time. Okay. Now, the arrow moved to the right or to the left?
To the right.
Right mean what? Means what?
That means, of course, greater than.
Greater than. Okay, we done. Okay, so we solve this, my boys. We represent or we write the number line as inequality. Okay, my boys, this is 29. It is. We start like this. I choose the letter, for example, M, and I see the arrow here started with what?
With -4.
With -4, and stop for a moment and ask myself, the arrow move to the right, that
Or
means
it is greater.
it is greater than. Okay, and the circle here
Is
empty, yes?
empty, yes. So
So there is no equal sign. Okay?
okay.
Okay, Ryan. Now I will depend on you to solve number 30. Yeah. Let's go, Ryan.
Okay. I will choose M.
Change the letter.
R.
R,
Y.
Y.
Give me Y. Y. And I write the 8.
Yes, here. Be careful. You have to choose the number. Yes, which is 8. Yes, 8. Okay, now.
Y. Less than because the arrow go to the left or equal 8.
Yes. Ryan, how we know it's less than or equal?
Because the arrow go to the left and the circle is not empty.
it is filled, yes?
Yes.
So go to the left, mean less than. Now 31. This is 31, Ryan. Yes, Ryan. Hurry up, Ryan.
Okay. Give me any letter. X, the normal.
Okay, X.
X, and we will write the 2.
The 2 from here, we get it, yes?
Okay, and greater. 2 greater than or equal.
You start with 2?
I mean X. X greater or equal 2.
2. Great. Next.
Next, 33.
32 now.
32, okay. Give me any letter. X.
Okay, X.
And we will write negative 7.
Okay.
So X less than or equal negative 7.
Okay, less than or equal.
Not
equal. Why?
because the circle is not filled.
It is empty, yes?
Yes.
Okay, how you know it is less than?
Because the arrow go to the left.
Okay.
So question number 34. Yes.
33 now.
Yes. 33. Okay.
Yes. Choose X.
X and 5.
Go to the right or to the left?
To the left, to the right, I mean. So it's greater. X greater than 5.
Greater and
Or fill. Or fill. I mean or equal.
it is equal. Now 34. X and 2. Yes. Stop. You have to organize your mind. Listen. Start with the letter and the number.
X.
Don't jump. Okay.
X less 2.
Left. You have to tell me left or right.
Left.
Left means
Less.
okay. We're done. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us move to another question. The last question here. Determine whether each number is the solution of a given inequality. We can do it in two ways. The first way, he asked me to determine these values are the solutions of this inequality. Solution means what that the solution means, Rayyan?
The answer.
No, the solution means if the number of this number is the solution if this number make the inequality true. What this meaning? This meaning the left side must equal the right
side.
So is the number make the left side equal the right side? This is the meaning of the solution.
Okay, I will start.
Okay. Now you have to remove the y and write 2. So 3 multiply
2
equal
6.
6 minus 8.
6 minus 8 equal negative 2. So negative 2 is not the solution.
Wait. So this is negative 2. Now, is the left side and the right side make the inequality true?
No.
Negative 2 is greater to 22?
No.
So it is not the solution. Again, I put the 2 instead of the y.
Okay.
I do the left side here. 3 multiply 2 equal 6. 6 minus 8
equal -2.
equal -2.
Negative 2?
2. Is -2 greater than
No.
22?
No.
So this is not the solution of the equation. Let us move to the
0.
0 now.
Okay. 3 multiplied by 0 equals 0.
So 3 multiply 0. Here I put instead of the y 0. Now 3 multiply 0 equals 0. Okay.
0 minus 8 equal
-8.
-8, yes. -8 is not greater than 22.
So
It is wrong.
0 is not the solution. You say like this. Okay. The last one, which is 5. Now I put the 5 instead of the y here.
Easy. 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15.
So instead of this it is 15. 15 minus 8
equal 7.
equals 7. So here I have 7. Is the 7 greater than 22?
No.
So it is not correct. So it is not the solution of this inequality. Okay? Okay, I have another way. Okay, if you like to make it. It is 3y minus -8. I have 3y minus 8 is greater than 22. If you remember how to solve the equation, the first step I determined the left
and the right.
And
very
the right.
easy.
And the most important thing, Ryan, to make the y alone.
Oh yes.
To make
I
the
know
y.
how.
Okay.
Okay. Now we want to remove the -8, so we will put +8 or
on this side, the left side, and what we do in the left, we have to do
in the right. So it will be 3y greater than 30.
Greater than 30. Now, wait a minute. How you get 30 here?
30, 22 plus 8.
And how you get 3y only? Where is the -8 plus 8? Cancelled, yes?
Okay.
Now this is the left and this is the right. Teacher, we made here as we learned before in the equation, yes, the same steps.
Divide.
Now what is the coefficient of y here?
3.
So directly divide by
itself.
By 3, yes?
Yes.
So divide this by 3.
3.
And divide by 3. So the y greater than 30 divided 3?
10.
10. So the solution of this equation, all the values greater than 10.
Yes.
Okay, let us come back here. Remember that the solution, all the value greater than 10. Let us come back here. He asked me about this. Is the 2 greater than 10?
No.
So it is not the solution.
And 0?
Is the 0 greater than 10? So this is not the solution. Is the 5 greater than 10?
No.
So it is not the solution. Okay, so first of all we find the value of y, the values of y, then we check if the values that given it is within the values of y or not. Now let us do number 13 by the second way. Okay, because we need,
because
it is most important the first way. Okay, so can you remind this, memorize this, Ryan? 8m -6.
Okay. Like this one or?
Yes, like this one.
Okay, it's very easy. What is the?
I'm depending on you to memorize it, Ryan. It is 10m -6 less than or equal, I don't know, remember, let me check. It is 8m, yes. Here we have 8. And here we have 10.
Okay, very easy.
What is the first step? Determine the left
and the right, and we want to let the 8 alone.
The 8?
The m, I mean. So,
Okay, so how you make the m alone, ya Rayyan?
we will plus by 6
Yes, we have to eliminate the 6 by adding 6 in the left side
and the right side.
and the right sides too.
So you will cancel the negative 6.
You are very fast, Rayyan, you know.
Yes.
Okay, now the 8m coming down now. Less
And
than or equal 16.
16.
Now what you have to do?
Okay, you will divide it by 8 because what does it mean?
Coefficient.
Coefficient is 8, so you will divide by 8
So this is
in the left side and the right
this is
side.
the right side. So divide by a the coefficient
And
a to make the m alone. Okay. This is
and
my goal. Yes.
yes.
2. Now what is the solution for this equation? Read it.
Less than or
Equal
2.
So the solution it is 2 or 1 or
0
or
or
negative 1.
1 or
So any number from 2 and down is the solution. But any number greater than 2,
no.
it is not.
Correct.
It is not the solution. So let us scanning what the values here.
2.
Now 2.
It is correct.
It is a solution.
3. No.
See, come back here. M less than or equal to. So 3, it is not correct, yes? So it is not. Now, letter C, negative 1.
It is correct.
Yes, it is the solution. Okay, Arayan?
Okay.
Okay. Now we learned how to find the solution for any equation. Let us take number 15. It is 6
Not
minus...
14?
not 14.
Okay.
16 because it is different. Here my advice to you to make substitution directly. You have to take the half instead of n and check the left side is greater than the right side or not.
No.
Okay. 6 minus half, it is 5 and half. 5 and half over half, it is 11. Is the 11 greater than
or equal
11?
Yes.
So this is
correct.
correct. If I want to solve it, we will solve it later inshallah. ماشي ريان? I will not confuse you. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you get all the benefit from this video for 3-1 and prepare you for next lesson 3-2, how to solve the inequalities. Okay, this is Rayhan and Muhammad Khair, and goodbye.
Goodbye.